When you have something to say but are in a difficult situation to say, so you can't say anything and feel frustrated, you can say,
답답해. 답답해요.
If it takes a long time or the same thing continues for a long time, when you get bored and tired, you can say,
지루해. 지루해요.
When you feel stuck in a narrow, closed space, or when you feel uncomfortable because your clothes or something similar is too tight, you might say,
갑갑해. 갑갑해요.
When you feel so tense or stressed that you have difficulty breathing, you can say,
숨막혀. 숨막혀요.
When we get annoyed, we say,
짜증나. 짜증나요.
when there is nothing to worry about or be concerned about, or when it is not too bad and is above average, we say this.
괜찮아. 괜찮아요.
When something we were worried about was fortunately resolved very well, we say this.
다행이야. 다행이에요.
When we feel ashamed or embarrassed because of something that has lowered our reputation or caused us to feel uncomfortable, we use this expression.
창피해. 창피해요.
When we are bored and not having fun because we have nothing to do, we say,
심심해. 심심해요.
when all your worries are gone and you feel relieved, you can say,
안심이 돼. 안심이 돼요.
when you feel tired, you can say,
피곤해. 피곤해요.
when you are too tired and have no energy, you can say,
기운이 없어. 기운이 없어요.
when you are in a difficult situation and feel physically and mentally exhausted, you can say,
힘들어. 힘들어요.
when things don't go as planned and you feel disappointed, you can say,
실망했어. 실망했어요.
when you are embarrassed and don't know what to do, you can say,
당황했어. 당황했어요.
when you are confused, you can say,
헷갈려. 헷갈려요.
when things look messy, chaotic, and disorganized, and you feel confused, you can say,
혼란스러워. 혼란스러워요.
when you are so surprised or upset that you are speechless, you can say,
기가 막혀. 기가 막혀요.
when something is so unexpected that it leaves us speechless, we say,
어이없네. 어이없네요.
when something absurd happens, when you feel embarrassed and angry, we can say,
황당하네. 황당하네요.
when something is so outrageous, we say it in slang, that's beating my brain.
골 때리네. 골 때리네요.
I'm screwed means,
망했어. 망했어요.
when you feel frustrated, you can say,
좌절했어. 좌절했어요.
when you have a lot on your mind and feel complicated, you can say,
마음이 복잡해. 마음이 복잡해요.
when you are heartbroken, you can say,
마음이 아파. 마음이 아파요.
when you feel angry and sad because something doesn't go as planned, you can say,
속상해. 속상해요.
When you feel hurt, you can say,
맘 상했어. 맘 상했어요.
When you feel empty, you can say,
허전해. 허전해요.
When you feel ashamed and embarrassed about something you did and even feel pathetic, you can say,
찌질해. 한심해요.
When things don't go as planned or you feel heartbroken and frustrated because things don't look right, you can say,
안타까워. 안타까워요.
When you feel ridiculous, you can say,
우스꽝스러워. 우스꽝스러워요.
When you feel so humiliated, you can say,
창피해. 창피해요.
When you feel ashamed, you can say,
부끄러워. 부끄러워요.
When you feel silly, you can say,
바보 같아. 바보 같아요.
When you are mind-blowing, you can say,
너무 신나. 너무 신나요.
When you are moved, you can say,
감동받았어. 감동받았어요.
When you feel overwhelmed, you can say,
벅차. 벅차요.
When you have butterflies in your stomach, or when you are feeling nervous and excited, you might say,
설레. 설레요.
When you are happy, you can say,
행복해. 행복해요.
When you are glad, you can say,
기뻐. 기뻐요.
When you are having a good time, you can say,
즐거워. 즐거워요.
When you are having fun, you can say,
재밌어. 재밌어요.
When you feel like it's not fun, you can say,
재미없어. 재미없어요.
When you feel wonderful, fantastic, or fabulous, you can say,
끝내줘. 끝내줘요.
When you feel sad, you can say,
슬퍼. 슬퍼요.
When you get angry, you can say,
화나. 화나요.
When you're upset, you can say,
열받아. 열받아요.
When you flip out or you're pissed off, you can say,
꼭지가 돌아. 꼭지가 돌아요.
When you don't feel like it, you can say,
내키지 않아. 내키지 않아요.
When you're feeling down, you can say,
기분이 별로야. 기분이 별로예요.
When you feel bad, you can say,
기분이 나빠. 기분이 나빠요.
When you are not in the mood, you can say,
그럴 기분이 아니야. 그럴 기분이 아니에요.
When you feel strange, you can say,
기분이 이상해. 기분이 이상해요.
When you feel good, you can say,
기분이 좋아. 기분이 좋아요.
When you like it or love it, you can say,
좋아. 좋아요.
When you hate or dislike it, you can say,
싫어. 싫어요.
When you feel a lot of sorry, you can say,
유감이야. 유감이에요.
When you are sorry, you can say,
미안해. 미안해요.
when you feel thankful, you can say,
고마워. 고마워요.
when you are happy to meet someone, you can say,
반가워. 반가워요.
thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and hit the like.